Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin and today on Dashandrun, another very quick video, and this time we're looking at this thing here, which is basically a 4-inch vinyl figure of Claptrap. Now they do come in different sizes, but this is their smallest one, and if you're looking for something for Christmas, this might be something worth getting. So anyway, let's get out the box and have a bit of a closer look and see if this is something you want to get. Okay, so now we've got the vinyl figure out of the box. You can see that this 4-inch version of Claptrap is pretty good. Now it doesn't have any moving parts, but it is actually very well made and quite nicely detailed. Now you can get other sizes, and I'll put those on the screen. And these might be nice for getting as Christmas presents for friends that are Borderlands fans and they just like the idea of owning a little Claptrap. Anyway, I'm Justin, and as always, thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel.